Here questions are there where you will get. Now first question, your first, when you get the paper, there is written, will be written that your 15 minutes will be our reading time. Okay, reading time is your 15 minutes. All the question, all the subject, reading time is always, that is 15 minutes. You have to read the question. Now here only you have to make a decision which essay you have to write. Okay, so you have different types of essay. I think your teacher must have told about that. There is a descriptive essays are there is a narrative essays are there. Okay, then your storytellings are there, then your for debate type question, for and against are there, and your picture reading. Okay, so one is your description, describe type. Okay, one is describe, another one is your narrative one. Okay, and story. Story, you have to write an original story. Original story. Okay, your sometimes some sentence line will be given there, dot dot dot, you have to continue and your story there. Okay, another one is your debate type, that is for or against. For or against is there. Yes, then your picture or picture type questions will be given. So I'll suggest you to go with this. If anyone is very good in story here, they can go for the story. Now debate, those who want to attend there, for and against is there. If you write both the things fully, your essay will be wrong. Either for, or if you are going for the for, you have to go for the for. So I will suggest not to attend this if you are not or narrate. Now when you are narrating something, describe means they will give, describe this. If you are there in the sitting in the railway platform there, describe what are the things that had happened in that very day or very time, on that time. This type of question comes. Once the question has come from, that is in the council, describe the situation or the scenery that is there before entering the examination hall. Okay, so you have to describe your feelings there. So for that you should be एक भूमिका बांधते हैं, that is we say in Hindi, what you do, you पूरा भूमिका बांधने के बाद you come to the topic there, है ना. So ये भूमिका, yes, भूमिका means you have to, जैसे suppose तुमको this एक situation there, that is describe, तुम डायरेक्टली वहाँ जाके सीधा स्पॉट में जाके वो डिस्क्राइब करना शुरू मत करो. एक टॉपिक दिया गया, यू हैव टू उसको थोड़ा सा प्रोवर्ब दो, phrases you can add that, and then you start your that is topic. Understood the meaning? Are you understanding, boys? Okay, so that is the narrative also. When you are narrating the story, okay, so you एक भूमिका, suppose प्लेटफॉर्म वाला क्वेश्चन थे, तो एक भूमिका बांधो कि हाँ हम लोग का कुछ हुआ था, कुछ फंक्शंस थे एंड दिस वन दैट वो हुआ था. तो एक सिचुएशन लाइक क्वेश्चन आता है, गिव अ सिचुएशन, डिस्क्राइब अ हॉस्पिटल वेयर ऑल द पेशेंट, कोविड के टाइम जो आते क्वेश्चन, कोविड टाइम, डिस्क्राइब द सीन व्हाट वाज देयर इन द हॉस्पिटल. So you will not start directly from that topic. You have to bhumika dalo. That is this. It was in a COVID time where all the people suffering there. Chaos was. Original story. If you are good in that original story, so your line will be given there, and you have to continue with that. Okay. So you have to continue. So these are some of the area. Now after this composition, you are given that notice and the email are there. So format is there in the council given the notice. Are you aware of that? Your teacher must have given the format. Okay, given. So stick on that format. Format your this one. What is the notice is of 5 marks. If your format is written nicely, you will get 5 marks. Here all the steps has been divided. Marks has been there. 1 mark, 1.5 mark. So 1 mark is there for giving the this one topic or the what we say. Suppose there is a debate competition, you have to give a notice in the school that some singing competitions are going to take place in other school. Okay, so you have to put a topic there. ठीक है, वो टॉपिक के लिए वो कैप्शन आंसर इज रिटन गिवन देयर इन द पैसेज. If you copy that passage from the, that is answer from the passage only, you will lose marks then and there. Okay, so when you understand, you have, so what is the 15 minutes जो मिलते हैं, that 15 minutes you have to use in reading the passage once. Okay, first is to select the essay, which essay you want to do. Okay, and then go for the formal letter or informal letter, whichever you want to select. You tick mark with that pencil, and then come to the notice and email. So compulsory is there, you have to do. So no thinking of that. Then you come to the passage where you have read once in this 15 minutes. Read that passage carefully in this 15 minutes, and then again when you do the passage, again you come to read. So two times you will read that. So तुम्हारे दिमाग में वो बैठ जाएंगे कि what they are asking there. ठीक है, तो तुम्हारे आंसर लिखने में, that is you will write the answer in a file. So I told you, please note it down, that is you have to write the answer in your own words. Understand the line there, paragraph there, whatever the answer is there, and write your own words. ठीक है, now इसी question, इसी passage में you get one question to write the answer in 50 words. You must be getting that. समझ है, पता है? What you did? 50 words. इसमें you have to make a column there. Precis writing. Precise. You have to precise the answer in 50 words, and you have to make a column here. I think your teacher has told this. Column बनाने हैं, and each. Suppose there is a, all will be in one. There is a dot will be is also there. So all this will be written in the this column wise, and 50 words should be there with your answer. So count करेंगे तुम लोग 1 2 3 करके 4 तक 5 तक 50 वर्ड्स तुम्हारा आना चाहिए. उससे ज़्यादा आ गया तो मार्क्स कट जाएंगे और उससे कम भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है, so stuck on this 50 words. Your essay is about 300, what is that? 300 to 350 words. Your essay is 300 to 350 words. इतने में रहते हैं तुम्हारे essay. And those who have big handwriting, okay, so please try to make it small little, okay, and you have the maximum, I think one full 1.5, I think 1.5 or 2, maximum 2 pages should be there your essay. ठीक है, 300 to 350. So those who have small handwriting can be going, that is 1.5 page, or those who have big handwriting can go for the second 2 page there. 2 page should be there. Okay, and there is a method of writing here. First one is what? Your introduction is there. Okay, first one is your introduction. Essay 1. So just this one. First is what? Introduction. There is a marks for all this. Okay, there is an introduction. Then your body is there. That means whatever the, according to the topic, you will write what is written there. And another one is your conclusion. Is a conclusion. So this 3 paragraphs. So when you write the essay, should be written in a paragraph, not in one starting from there and ending here, finish. No, that you are writing in the smaller classes. Now the 3 column sorry, paragraphs will be there. Understood? What happened? Any problem? Okay, so this is the English language. Now after the passage, there will be a grammar part again. Grammar part, MCQ part is there. Grammar coming in MCQ. One is MCQ, another one is your, that is transformation sentences are there. Okay, grammar में क्या क्या है? One is your MCQ coming in that grammar. Okay. Another one is your transformation sentences are there. Transformation sentences. And another one is your articles are there. Then prepositions are there. So those who are in class 10, I think you must be knowing about this. All this format. Okay, so you must be clear. You should be clear with the transformation of sentences, articles and preposition. Here many get mistakes there. तुम लोग सोचोगे कि ये आंसर है लेकिन वो आंसर नहीं रहता, different answer. So they get confused in this grammar. So this grammar has to be done very clearly with lots of practice there. Because you are the first batch, so you need some practice, more practice here. So MCQ also here it is coming in grammatical parts that like you have to start with as soon as or still like that. So that is the question here. So these are all the language paper. Clear? Okay.